How to convert Kindle into a PDF. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download your Kindle and turn it into a PDF. So there are quite a few methods, so I'm just going to show it to you. The first one is from app. In order to do that, you'll have to open your Kindle app and go to library. But for desktop, you have to double click on the book covers to download the book. And for mobile apps, you will have to tap on the book cover to download the book. Alright, so the second method is from the website. Here you will have to go on the website first, then click on your name, and from the drop-down menu, you'll have to select your account. And once you select your account, you will have to go to device and content. After that, you'll have to manage your digital content. Then from the list of ebooks, you can tap on the three dots besides the one that you want to download. And finally, you'll have to select download and transfer via USB. And in the pop-up window, you'll have to select the device that you want to download it to. And finally, you can just tap on download to start the download process. Now that you've downloaded your ebook, then you will need some tools to convert it to a PDF. So there are quite a few, the first one being Ebook, the second one being Calibre, and then you also have Online Convert. And finally, you have this one called Zamzar. You can find all of these online, so some of them are free and some of them are paid for. So you can try the free website where you can easily convert your Kindle into a PDF. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestion, feel free to leave them on the comment section below. I'll catch you guys on the next one.